Hey Natural Divas, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. I told you last or the previous video that I would be coming back this Bounce Back Wednesday with a um, unboxing, and I am. Uh, as I said, I did a little shopping on Amazon this week, which I shouldn't have, but I went on and did it anyway. And they say, if you work every day, why not do? My husband always say, if you work every day, why not buy stuff for yourself? So I been watching on YouTube where the young lady's been using a product for their hair or item for their hair that helps with it comes to their deep conditioning. I'm a person that believes in deep conditioning. I believe my hair is growing the way it is because of deep conditioning, and I try to do it at least once a week. I have many deep conditioners I love, and when I do them, I feel I have to go and sit under my hooded dryer. If I don't sit on my hooded dryer, I put my hot head on and heat that up in the microwave, and then I'll put that on my head and sit and do some things around the house while I have that on my head. So that's a convenient way. My hooded dryer is a convenient way. I have a low porosity hair, so I have to use heat to deep condition my hair so it can open up the cuticles in my hair. So in doing this, I have seen growth. But then I said, okay, I watched, I think it's Ebony, I think it is, Ivani or Ebony, one of them, I'm not for sure. She used a hair steamer to do her deep conditioners in the winter, I believe. So I thought I would go buy one, and I brought one off of Amazon. Um, and the one I brought was from Kingdom Cares. It's this. It is a hair and facial 2-in-1 Onyx hair and facial. Um, it comes with a steamer, a nozzle, a bracket connector, hair care cup, and instruction manuals. So I thought I'll try it, and I'm going to do it today for my Bounce Back Wednesday. I've already put my deep conditioner in. I washed and conditioned my hair last night, braided it up, went and did my exercise this morning, came home, took a shower, rinsed my hair with some warm water, and now I put in my Mielle Organic, one of my favorite Mielle Organic deep conditioners, and it's the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask infused with biotin and encourages growth. I love this. I love how it makes my hair feel. So I thought I'd do that. I don't have a lot of water in my hair because it's so warm today. After I took my shower, got my clothes on, and came and sat into the camera, my hair started drying, and I didn't re-mist it with my misting bottle because I said the steam might give me that what I need. So I am going to put my cap on. And they said steaming helps with opening your cuticles so it can penetrate the moisture in your hair. Um, they say, I believe someone said you shouldn't steam all the time when you do deep conditioners. Only do it maybe once or twice a month. I do deep condition my hair maybe once and maybe sometimes twice, depending how bad my damage or how bad my hair is acting. Because really, in a way, you have to train your hair to be natural. So it's gonna be the way you want it to be. So I usually do it. I know I do it once a week. I've only done it maybe twice a week when I had a lot of split ends and I wanted to get those split ends under control and then cut my ends. So my hair was really dry. So today I'm going to pull out my little steamer. This is it. Pull it over so you can see it. This is it. Here it is. This is the container with the water. I already put the water in. It was easy to put together. That's the lid. And then it comes with the facial connector here. When I want to do facials, which I need to be start doing because I'm getting older and I needed to start taking better care of my skin. So I'm going to plug this up. turn it on. And the light came on. And there's a steam button and there is a ozone button. And I'm thinking the ozone is to give you more steam in it. So I'm going to wait and see how the steam button is first, because it has lit up. Okay. You got to wait for the steam to come out. And they say it takes 5 minutes to do that. So I'm going to set this here back some. And some other things I brought from Amazon that I'm going to use in part 2 of this video is I finally broke down and got me something that I've been seeing everybody using to define their curls, and I finally did it. I brought me a Denman brush. Yeah, I brought one. I know I said I wasn't going to know about one, but I brought one. I want to see how well it does my hair and define my curls. And then Miss Bianca Renee has a YouTube channel. I know y'all all know her. She was talking about a gel that she loves, that every time she uses her hair come out right. She has very fine hair like I do. Her hair is just longer. But I wanted to try this. It's called Dippity Doo Girls with Curls. And I'm going to try this in the second part of the video after I steam my hair, rinse it out, and come back and do part 2 of this video and let y'all see how it turns out. So I'm waiting for the steam to start up. I can see it starting to bubble. Alright, Natural Divas, I am back. I sat under this, I think it was 20 minutes, because the timer went off, and it cuts off and lets you know the steam slows down. I don't know if it cut off. No, it didn't cut off. I had to turn it off. But the steam like goes away slowly to let you know that you've been under there too long. It will not let you stay under there a long time. It will not. So I think I did okay with this. I seem to like it. My hair I have rinsed out, and here's the result. The hair feels real soft. So I really do like the steamer. I'm hoping if I use it once a month, maybe twice a month, instead of using it every week, use it every other week. I'll get some growth with my hair. So I'm loving this. I'm glad I brought it. So y'all can see my hair. Let me move the steamer back. Ooh, that's hot. But here's my hair. It feels good and soft. A lot of definition. No product on it. No product on it at all. So I think it turned out pretty good. I give my steamer 2 thumbs up. So if you would like to know where I got the steamer at, look down in the description bar. I'll have the link to Amazon where I bought it at and how much it costs. I use my L Organic Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask on my hair, and my hair smells like mint and rosemary, and it feels really good. My scalp feels great. So what I'm going to do, what I do love about this is um, it brought a lot of moisture to my hair. My hair feel very moisturized than normal. Um, I just have to be careful from the steam because it's like it sometimes can burn you. Be so much steam. I think I'm going to try next time not using a plastic cap because I've seen on YouTube where some use a plastic cap and some don't use a plastic cap. So I'm gonna try next time not using a plastic cap and see what I have, see what the outcome is. And one thing I will tell you, while you're using the steamer, to always have a towel near you because you're going to drip. Water goes, drips off the thing all into you, and so it will drip on you. So you might want to make sure you have a towel around your neck. Um, but I really like it. I think I did a good purchase here. I won't know for sure until I use it some more. But as first time looking at it and doing it, I think it was a good deal for me. So I'm hoping using this every other week, I can get some more moisture into my hair and some growth with my deep conditioners and see how it affects my hair. So I hope you like this video. Remember to hit the thumbs up if you like it. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscription button so you can join our family and become a diva. Also, hit the notification bell so you know the next time I put up videos. As I told you, I am not 287 anymore. I am at 292. When I get to 300, guys, we are giving a giveaway. We're going to celebrate because we did this together. We're going to have a party, and I'll have to give away for my 300 subscribers. I want to thank you all out there for subscribing and for all your comments, your your support. You make me feel so great after I put that video, my last video up, and I just really want to thank you all. This girl right here is not stopping until she's ready to stop. So right now, I'm sharing my journey with you all. So I hope you enjoy this video. I do recommend the steamer. If you're a person that wants do a lot of, you believe in deep conditioning, you have low porosity hair, this would be great for you. If you have high porosity hair, it might not be great for you. You might not need heat to do your hair. And I'm going to love it anyway because I'm going to use it for my facials. I do all these masks but never put steam to it. And I'm going to see how that goes with my steam. And I might do a video on that. If you'd like to see a video on that, hit in the comment section and let me know. But if you own a steamer, how does it work for you? Have you seen results where your hair has gotten more moisturized and softer and growth retention? Just let me know how it works for you when it comes to your deep conditioners. So I'm going to end this video. Look out for another video coming out soon where I'm going, as I stated, I finally broke down the Water Dimming Brush. And I want to try the Dippity Doo Curl Gelée that I saw Miss Bianca Renee use as a gel. And I'm going to go do a wash and go with that. And I'm going to put it in my leave conditioner. All I'm going to use as a leave-in conditioner is my Paul Mitchell, my favorite. And that's it, no styler, just this and the gelée, and see how it turns out. So thank you for your love, your support, your comments, and remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.